In this video, I'll show you how you can make a permanent Discord link invite. Now, first what you need to do is you need to have a server or at least permission to do this. Then what you want to do is you want to head up here to your name. You want to search for invite people. Now, when you click on invite people, there should be this right here where you can invite your friends, and you will also have a server link. Now, I'm in streamer mode right now, so you cannot see my link, but you can copy your link right here. And then you have this link. If you send it to someone, they will be able to press it for only a week. Now, if you want to change this, click on edit invite link, set the expire after to never, and then you can generate the new link. Now I will have a new link, so I press copy, and I can simply send this new link to anyone. I can post it on a forum, I can post it on YouTube comment, I can put it anywhere. It will never expire, so you can use this forever until you generate a new code. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.